메디가 세를 받고 있는 바보샵이에요.
Actually, in Tunisia and almost in all Arab world, we care too much about beard.
Yeah.
So some people, they came like every day, like they are washing their face. They came here to fix the bar. They check if there is anything like small details. This is like normal, and also it's not expensive. And as I told you, also girls, they like this. It's almost $2.5 dinar. In the cheap place, like here, this is popular and cheap place. When I was in Indonesia, I asked everyone to fix my beard, but they said no, sorry, we don't do this.
Yeah, because Asian they don't have much.
Yeah.
It looks interesting.
Yeah.
I want to try.
Yeah.
Can I?
You want to try? You want to kill me, man?
여기는 진짜 텔레콤인데 뭐래도 심카드를 사러 왔습니다. How much is it? 심카드?
قديش النمرة؟ 3 dinar only.
3 dinar.
See, in Korea it's very hard. I cannot make
It's
number in
$1.
Korea. It's just $1.
$1. Oh, okay. Nice. 그리고 심카드 3디나르랑 그리고 데이터 6기가 15디나르, 총 18디나르 써서 심카드 받았습니다. So is this your company?
Yeah, we just start. Salut. Ça va, Ernest?
Is your room? Here?
Yeah. This is the name.
Peace side.
Yeah.
You always say peace.
And then we make company pizza.
That's why you put the name.
Yeah.
You make.
Yeah. بونجور احباب المهدان في كل مكان. بعدين عمكم جيوان will be with us.
Yeah, sure. Aslema. See you on Happy Wednesday.
In?
Aslema.
Not in Aslema. In Hawaii.
What?
Hawaii.
How?
Hawaii.
How
Anyway,
Hawaii?
if you cannot spell it well,
Yeah.
when you will go tomorrow, you will not forget this place.
Yeah.
All your life. Peace.
Peace.
Bye bye.
내일 여기 회사에서 진행하는 이벤트가 있다고요. 저도 내일 저기 갈 계획인데 지금 마지막으로 홍보를 위해서 스토리를 만들었습니다. 같이. 바이바이. 굿나잇. 메디 여행사의 첫 번째 이벤트를 위해서 오늘 하와레아라는 지역으로 미리 전날 밤에 가는 중이에요. 거기서 내일 손님들을 맞이할 계획입니다. 메디의 여동생이 같이 이벤트에 가서 도와주기로 해서 지금 같이 만났습니다.
죄송합니다.
하이.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
She speaks this girl.
잘 지냈어요?
I heard you visit Korea before.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I'm Jawan.
Nice to meet you. I'm Syrian.
She know you already.
شو قد يمشي.
هاي بارة تعدي يا بار.
Sleep.
sleep.
이틀째 강행군이야. 이틀째. 지금 2시야 또. 진짜 나 죽이려고 불렀어. 와, 날씨 미쳤다. 와. 메디가 여기서 팔로워 40만을 보유한 페북 스타인데 튀니지가 인구 1000만이라는 거랑 여행이 활성화되지 않은 나라라는 점을 고려했을 때 굉장히 많은 숫자거든요. 그래서 한 며칠 전에 이거를 홍보했는데 불과 한 5일인가? 그 정도 만에 지금 20명을 모았다고 합니다. 그것도 평일에. All day you're bad.
Yeah.
So they know you.
Yeah. Small mistake, big problem for me.
보니까 외국인은 별로 없고 튀니지 사람들 로컬들이 많이 찾는 곳인 것 같아요. 저기 식당도 있고 뒤에 바다가 너무 예뻐. 와, 분위기 진짜 좋다. 여기 이렇게 그냥 암석 현무암 같이 돼 있는데 여기 바로 옆에 이렇게 테이블 깔아놓고 여기 오니까 꼭 그 몇 달 전에 이집트 다합 생각도 나고. 와, 오징어구이 맛있다. 잘 도톰하다. Nice.
No, no, no,
Yes.
don't lie.
Huh?
Don't lie.
What?
Don't lie to me. Good or
Yeah.
amazing?
Amazing.
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 يا صاحبي ايش كاين
저희는 점심 식사 먹었고 이제 보트를 타고 수영하러 간다고 합니다.
نص الايطاليان كلموه
이거 왜 건데? 네. 아이고 어제 일찍 잤네. You everyone came alone? Yeah?
I think so.
You are a fan of Maddie? No? Then why you how you came here? She liked the trip. Ah, how about you? You know Maddie? Don't know? I mean a fan.
انت فان تاع مهدي.
Ah, no, in Tunisia we don't do this. In Tunisia, sometimes you come. Hi, Madel, how are you? Good, bro. Yeah, I like the video. Bye bye.
No, I mean.
And sometimes if I meet some girls, the girls, they make.
The girls he
I
like.
can't believe.
girls like Maddie. Yeah.
But she don't. She.
Not in front of people. Yesterday when you sleep, they come to me like this. Maggie, please come, please. I do signature like this. But I told them, no, please, I'm busy.
오늘도 보트를 타고 또 어디로 가는 것 같은데 어디로 가는지 모르겠어요. 저도 그냥 따라다니고 있어요. Thank you. 아 근데 물이 진짜
Show. See the fish? Come back.
That piece of fish, give it to the fish.
The fish give to the fish.
Finally,
Yeah.
the 2 days finish. For the first trip, we didn't make money.
You didn't make money?
We didn't make money because
Because of that problem.
because of the mistake. The mistake we
So
did
minus now?
minus. Imagine all of this.
아
There is two things, some positive thing and some negative thing. The positive thing that the trip was successful. People was happy. For me, this is one of the it's the important thing that people are satisfied and they are happy. But we didn't make money. So next time, of course, we're gonna make a lot of money. because we learn from our mistake. And I will not trust anyone if he tell me, yes, done, I did this, don't worry. I will worry about everything.
Yeah, you need to do double check.
Yeah, but you know, every business, they always say, first period, don't expect to make money. Just work for your brand.
It's just your first event.
Yeah,
So,
but okay, but
yeah.
also the other good thing that you are with me. Yeah, my brand with me in Tunisia. We are enjoying our
it will
time.
be better next time.
Yeah. But now at least I will not think about anything. Just at least for this 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Peace.
네, 그럼 오늘 영상 여기서 마무리하고 다음 영상에서 뵙겠습니다. 고맙습니다.